What's going on, YouTubers? I'm going to keep this short and simple. This is Devlog, number 2 of the survival game I'm working on. I call MicroSurvival. It's basically a survival game that is inspired by the movie Honey, I Shrunk the Kids. And so without further ado, let's go to the big screen. Oh, look. A bunch of boring shit. Yeah, this is my my board for the game, and there's just so much shit. So much shit. But nobody's interested in that. I sure as hell ain't. What I've added recently, I've got a bunch of stuff. A little poster of my cats. A marijuana plant. Hopefully nobody gets too offended by that marijuana plant. This is going to be an adult game. As you can see, there is shit floating in the toilet, and I've added some rats or mice, whatever you want to call them. I don't give a shit. I paid $5 for them. They were worth it because I tried rigging my own and it was a disaster. Fuck that shit. Saved me all kinds of time and hell. These are probably the only things I've actually modeled for this game so far. Although this is basically an asset flip at this moment, but I don't really care because it's gonna be a good asset flip. And there's a mouse trap. It doesn't work yet. There's a hair dryer. I might have had that in the last devlog. I had an idea to have that. You use that to cook your food or some dumb shit. I don't know. Right now I got teleporters going up the toilet. A little block that you can get up to the plant. This bathroom is a little too big. I'm probably going to shorten it down a little bit. Start working on the rest of the abandoned house. And let's go ahead and play the game. Let me see if the desktop audio is going to pick up anything from it. I've got my friend Jerry's music in the background. Not sure if it's fitting for this level, but I really don't care. It's nice to kind of have it there for now. Kind of dreary. You can't fight the mice yet. I'm gonna go ahead and craft up an axe real quick. I've got it to where you can actually swing it. Little problems here when you're switching between nothing. It kind of looks like he's jerking his dick or something. Can I say that on YouTube? I'll probably bleep that out. It's not like I'm monetized anyway, so I don't give a fuck. I have 35. This is a 35 subscriber special. Mousetrap's looking good. Hairdryer, they're walking around. They've got AI, just for wandering. And let's get up in the toilet. Hunger and thirst, I slowed that way down. That was like going up. So now you can kind of see what your items are. I want to give descriptions of them too, as well as instructions. I'm going to go ahead and turn the sound up real quick. I'm going to be silent for a minute. Oh, it's coming through the microphone anyway. Shit. Who cares? That might be a little better. Less of it coming through the microphone. I'm going to go ahead and equip the mushrooms. And, oh yeah, I got saving and loading. It just shows the time right now. It doesn't show the date. And it doesn't save the hunger and thirst. That's one of my next things that I'm working on. Just come down here and scroll to that, and once you get to an empty water bottle, you can fill them. Now it's dirty water bottle, yay! And I don't have any animations for drinking or eating yet, but I do have sounds. Let the hunger and thirst go up for a minute. We'll go check out this pot plant over here. Get that fucking toilet. And I've got a little weird shit going on in here when I jump in here. It flips me up to it, and I can actually climb the pot plant. This is not a bug, it's a feature. Oh, it looks like it's glowing. Damn, that must be the crystals. Now I'll click, drink some water, and eat a mushroom. Good, not as hungry anymore. I'll probably have those as bars, but right now it's just easier to have them. Nice view up here, swing the axe. It's kind of, I made that swing in like it's temporary because I plan on getting some more professional AAA arms that I'll have to reanimate unless they come with the right animations. These arms right now they're like free and they kind of suck. I want something that looks, I want my game to look good. You know, I was going to go with the low poly tune saw, which I'm not going to diss by any means. I like that style. But I want to go with kind of higher poly, good looking. Look at all these grids from these shadows on the wall, but you know, who gives a shit? So we're still in, I would say, pre-alpha 0.2. The goal is to have a pretty halfway playable game by September 4th for Feedback Friday, and my big goal is October 20th is the projected date for Alpha 1, which I'll be doing a soft release on itch.io. That's basically it. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you next week with another devlog. I'll put the link to my Twitch. I do try to stream a little regularly, and I'll have links to all kinds of other shit. Probably my Discord channel and my Twitter. And, you know, smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, smash your fucking keyboard. I don't care.
Peace out. I don't care.